Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings and here you can see the option sound and vibration. Tap on this one, then scroll down. Here you can see you can change the ringtone for slot 1 or slot 2. You can change the ringtone. So simply here I am going to show you how to change the ringtone here. Then tap on this one. Now you can see currently the ringtone is Moto, and these are the inbuilt ringtone is available in this device. Then from here you can select any ringtone simply. Here I am going to select this one. Tap on OK. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to customize the ringtone, tap on this one. Then here you can see the option add ringtone. Tap on this one. Then it will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file, and from here you have to select the ringtone. So simply here I am going to select this one. Yeah, and after that tap on the option tick symbol. Now you can see that ringtone is came here, and from here also we need to select this one. Okay. Yeah, I select this one. Now tap on OK. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.